Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 16th of January 2024. Dobra jutro, Karo. Hi MK. Hi Wasim, Namaste. Nice to see all of you here. Alright. Well, so we just have a high impact news for the pound, and let's see what is going to be like for the pound dollar. All right, so at the moment, okay, let me send up all the invites first. Okay, yeah, and let's see. Right, we have hi Hubert, nice to see you. Yes, Flora, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, then Sabrina. Hi, Sabrina. The GU gives Sabrina good profits today, huh? Yes, okay, congratulations, Sabrina. Collected 18 pips. Okay, that's good. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, and let's see, what do we have here? Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so guys, do you have anything to share with me while I'm setting up and some of the channel? Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, let me share with Discord first, the Discord channel. All right, and okay, so everything should be good now. Well, wow. Okay. Well, let's see. Let's check. Well, now. Let's check over here. Okay, it should be good now, right? Okay, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Let's go with the chart first. Okay, now. Good morning, everybody. Right? Yes. Good morning, Sean. Yes, I'm new to the channel. Welcome in. Thank you very much for coming in here. All right. Okay, let me see. Hey, where's my cam? I'm not in there. Okay. Let me wait, hang on. Okay. Anyway, let's go with some recap first. Okay, yesterday we were trading this area for selling, am I right? So we have hit the target of 127.206. Then after that, it actually hover around this whole area. And today it breaks below 127.206 and went down to our target of 126.895. Wow. It breaks during the Asian market. I didn't manage to capture anything there. Okay. Okay, so never mind. I think Sabrina had captured some. Okay, so yep, guys, we're having live streaming from different platforms. So hopefully that everyone will tune into the YouTube channel over here. Okay. All right. So yep, and that's one. And also remember to smash the like button for me. Okay. All right. Okay. Then right. So let's see. Okay. From here. Okay. So yesterday all the targets have met up. We have met up with all the targets that we are looking at 126.895, and looks like it's still on the selling. Okay, it breaks this. It's still on the selling since this morning from the Asian market. Okay, and over here. All right. Okay. Yeah, Sean, thank you for coming in, and we are here as a community to share. All right, so feel free to share. Okay, and also we are no worries about any sharing, because we are not here to challenge who is better. Okay. All right. Okay, so we have a Discord channel as well. All right, the link is inside the description box, so you can click on the link to join in the Discord. Okay. All right. So over here now, let's see. Okay, let's see over at this point here. Let's have some plans. Now we have cleared all this, right? So let's remove this again. We have cleared this. We have cleared this. Yesterday, target has met up. Okay, Bradley is better. Well, okay. Well, and this is also cleared. Okay, all right. Okay, and this is cleared. This is cleared, and this one now, by looking into this area here, and we can see that it's actually breaking out of this 126.726, and looks like we are going to clear out the non-farm payroll. Okay, this whole area here, huh? All right. So we still have one final one, 126.277 over here, correct? Okay. Then over at this point here, this is the point that we are looking at. Okay, and likely, okay, 126.568. Let's see if this is going to hold it. Okay, so I'm going to move this down. Okay, this is a temporary. This is the one. Okay, the support here. Well, we can see there's a very good support down here into this area. Okay, into this area. So tentatively, we still, if this is going to break, we still have about 30 pips down there. But at the moment, okay, at the moment, by looking into this whole area here, okay, it seems like we still there's a lot of stuff up there for us to take. Okay, let's see if it's going to set up the support. Okay, whether it will still set up the support to continue the buy. Okay, right. So at the moment over here, all right, I wouldn't go for any selling for now, because if we are going for any selling for now, it's going to be firstly, it's very close to one area of support. Secondly, we are chasing the low, which that is usually not my style. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's one. Okay, hi Sean, in person, saying hi to you. Okay, so hope you enjoy yourself in this channel with the community here. We have very nice community. When anyone take profits, we will cheer for them. Okay. All right, so we will learn from each other as well. Okay, so that's for the pound dollar at the moment. Later we come back here again. Well, Bitcoin, let's take a look. Bitcoin struggling within 42. So let's see how it goes to reach the target of 55 up there, right? Okay, I'm still looking at 55. Okay, the goal. Well, Caro, let's see. Caro, yesterday we were talking about 2051 to 20. Okay, it meets the target, all right, and a fantastic move. Okay, so we went down as slow as 2049, right? This candle, 2049.24. Okay, so over at this point here. Oh, well. What is it going to be like? What is it going to be like, huh? Yeah, I'm not sure how is it going to be like, I would say. All right. Do you think that will it actually continue the selling, or go on and making more selling down to where the Israel war starts? Okay, so 1983. Okay, of course a bit too far away. Let's maybe 2016 is one price that we're looking out for. At the moment, okay, it's we still need to observe further before we can say that it's actually going for a selling. Okay, at the moment, So we have cleared some areas here. Okay, so let's this is the area 2055 to look out for. And yesterday looking at 2051. Okay, then this is the targets. Okay, these are the targets. They will take 2052 before drop down to 2040. Okay, 2052. Okay, let's say 2052. Okay. Around here. Yep. Okay, very close. Yes. Okay, so this is one area here. Okay, so looking into one area of 2040. Okay, yep, 2040. Wow, 2040 here. Mine is about 2041. Okay, anyway, 10 pips different, huh? Okay, because we are using different liquidity provider, huh? So likely there may be some difference there. Okay. Yes. Okay. So right now we have this space. If by looking into this area here, all right. So likely we can say that 2051, right? 2052. This one. Let me see. 2051. 2051. Okay, okay. If we are looking into this, should be on the key will be on the 16th of January. Am I right? 16th of January. Okay, sorry. 16th of January. Am I right, Carol? I think that's the key. Okay. Right. Okay, so looking at that. Okay. Yep. Okay, so of course, by looking into the fundamental, how I see is that if looking into this area before it's actually going down for any selling, yes, okay, thank you very much. Okay, so likely we may want to set up a resistance first. That means they're actually going to take out this level 2051. Then after that, there will most likely, okay, then we will see the selling will comes in. Okay, so at the moment, so hang on first. At the moment, not really there yet. Okay, so will there be any selling opportunity for now? I wouldn't say no. Okay, I wouldn't say no. Then you see, this is a two-way. It may go down before it went up to take 2051. It may go down to 2041 or 2040. Okay, yeah. Then probably 2040 over about here. Let me see. 2040. Okay, and oh, okay, 2040. Okay. T40. Okay. 2040. Okay, so we have about 80 pips down, right? Wow. Okay. So with this, we have a space of 80 pips down here from current price, but likely they need something. They need a resistance, correct? We need we need sellers to come in before we can go on the selling, huh? So at the moment, 2051 looks like there is some support over here in this area here. Okay, so looking into this area here, it's not easy to break. They've tried once and it's still not breaking. Then likely to go up and take 2051 before it actually can come down. Okay, so that's one point. Okay. That's one point. All right. Okay, so I mean that's for my reading. Okay, if you have any reading, also can share with us. Okay, so that we can also analyze out together. All right, so that's for the goal. And by default, my chart will be on the pound dollar. Okay, if you are looking at any other currency pairs, okay, then we will switch over. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So today, looking into the fundamental. today, this afternoon, we have Candy. Okay, so we are going to look out for the Canadian dollar on the CPI side. This is going to have some impact, especially the oil. Okay, people are trading the oil. All right, so US we have Empire's, the ESM index. Okay, so Empire State Manufacturing Index. All right, so later on we have also our Bailey is going to speak. Okay, so yep, so just take note. All right, so I see that today the claimant count changed 11.7K, which I think is good, but the average earning index for the 3 months to year is dropping 6 to 6.5%. Unemployment rate remaining okay. Should I say generally is it good? I would say that overall I would say that should be still maintaining well, but they need to work harder. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so this is one point that we need to well, these are all the fundamentals. Okay, it will more or less affect the sentimental of the market, correct? Okay, so in this case, the market sentiment, okay, will more or less be affected by all these figures. Then again, is that we also need to monitor how the market is moving, okay, so that we can make a better judgment. All right. So I guess after this no, it's not CPI. After the high impact news, okay, over here, let's take a look down into the details here into the chart. Well, as looking into this area, we have been trading. Today is the Tuesday, Monday, last Friday for the past one whole week, right? There's a lot of liquidity being taken out. All this have been done, right? Until today, we have been trading since last week. All the selling trades, all the pullbacks, the selling trade pullbacks, and finally looks like generally if we are looking at this area here, all right, we can see the transition area, correct? We can see the transition area, correct? Okay, they are still in the transition area, working out to become a bear, from the bull to the bear. Okay, all right, so yep, that's one. Okay, right, so yep, yes, our new member Blake. so nice to see Blake here. Sean Blake, right, if I'm not wrong. Okay, yep. And well, okay, so once again over here, all right, remember we are not signal provider. We are here to discuss together. Okay, I'm not queen but king. Okay. All right, so yep, let's see. Let's take a look for the pound dollar. Okay, since so sorry, Sabrina. Okay, today we have Sabrina and Stancy. They are both sisters. All right. Okay. Over here. Okay, so from the Asian high has not been taken out yet. Taken out the Asian low yesterday. It flowed down and take out the lows of yesterday this morning, and it went down because I think because of the news, okay, which not into the positive outlook. That I see that many has already started selling off. Well, it comes to a point over to this area here. Okay, sorry, just now, yeah, my cursor is not there, so let me do it again. Over here, the Asian high. All right, the Asian high come down to take the Asian low and break the lows of yesterday, this morning, and continue the selling. I think because of the outlook for the pound news. Okay, so we come to a point at the 126.568 over into this area here, where we actually look out for this area since last week. Okay, so this the area, and it broke this area to come to this area as well. This area here can be quite a challenging area for them. Okay, indeed, quite a challenging area, huh? So over here, So come back here to look at the whole overview. Since the selling off, we can see a lot of liquidity has been created. So likely we are going to see some reversal or some reclamation, okay, to take out the liquidity, then to balance out. Then after that, likely we will see some selling from there. Okay, so today, if sellers, you may have to wait for a long while. Okay, you may have to wait for a long while, although it has not shown the buy yet. Okay, right. So now they are setting up. Now they are setting up the buyers. The buyers are setting up, okay, ready to come in, but it's not shown up. Not shown up yet. When I say not shown up yet, to my term is that there's not enough buyers yet. Okay, so still the selling pressure is still there. Okay, the selling pressure is still there. Okay, but let's see if this whole area able to hold it, so that you can continue, yeah, so that it will set up the buy signal to continue to go up further. Okay, then we may be looking out into an area. Probably that may be an area for the selling, okay, which I see probably maybe looking out into this whole area here. Okay, this whole area here. All right, well, let's see if that will actually works on that, because currently they are still trying to test the low, okay, which we can see from H1, okay, or even H4, okay, we can see they are still testing onto this area here, right? Well, you can see this area here, right? So we can, it's pretty clear, am I right? Okay, well, okay, yeah, all right. So let's see if this is going to, in these 4 hours, if this is going to hold it to actually reject up. Okay, so that the next 4 hours likely to set up the buy. Okay, if this is able to hold, maybe the next 4 hours opening, it will set up the buy. And from that, from the next 4 hours, likely to see the reclamation, okay, to take out the liquidity up here. Okay, so, and well, for this pound dollar, okay, likely, of course, for now, into current scalping situation, selling, there will be changes, okay, but we still don't have a good we still don't have good selling signal yet, okay, because we are very near to the support. Don't sell at the support, always sell at the resistance, okay, and always buy at the support, sell at the resistance, right? So at the moment, okay, looks like we still have a little bit more, okay, just a little bit more, okay, then they are going to really test the limits, right? They are really going to test the limits, okay, so let's wait for a little while, right? So for the sellers, okay, so for dollar yen, okay, Steven, I saw Steven, okay, so dollar yen, we are actually looking out more onto the buy side. We are in the bull. So dollar yen still on the buy side now, and currently running at 146.173 at the current price. Okay, so at this area, okay, may be looking out into the resistance up here, right? Then support has no. Okay, so let's delete this. Okay, so we can come back to this area, right? And let me delete this. So over at this point, let's see, right? So we have this space here. So let's see if the dollar yen is going to sell off again. It may have to test into 146.465, right? Okay, 146.465. Okay, so this is one area that we need to take note, right? Yeah, 146.465. Yeah, so still reaching out. Okay, still reaching out to the sky. Okay, so let's see if that will actually continue, because 146.45 looks like a very let me see. Actually, no, sorry. 146,657. 146,657. Yeah, that is the price. Okay. Looks like dollar yen is going to test this limit. 146,657. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yes, Sabrina. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Selling. Okay, no. I will still not go into selling because of the support area here. Okay, because of the support area here. Well, if you're looking at the support area, okay, it's more like we are very close to the support area, which comes in the H4. Okay, this area here, they are trying to test this support. Yes, they are trying to test this support, but I won't suggest to enter a trade here. All right, if there's really a good selling, I will be waiting for it to break 126568, then retest to form another round of resistance. Then I think that will be good. Okay, that will be good. Okay, so as you can see just now earlier on when the news comes in, okay, this week here, all right, so it has cleared this area. Okay, so likely they are testing on once they clear the liquidity here, they are touching on the support now. Correct, they are touching on the support now. So by touching this support, I will suggest to wait for a retest below this support area to confirm the resistance before we actually go for the selling. Right. Okay, so I will suggest to wait for a little while. If not, we are chasing near to the support. We're chasing the low near to the support, which I don't really suggest that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. I know that this area, a lot of us was it's dropping. I want to enter. Okay, hold your emotions. Okay, hold your emotions. All right. Okay, hold your emotions. Okay, don't allow your emotions to get yourself into trouble. Okay, we have about 24 pips down into the area here also. Wow, looks like it's running on a very nice situation there. Okay, but let's wait for a little while to see how it closes. What if this is going to close above? All right, then it's not so good. Okay, so if we can see over here also, yeah, this whole range is the range here of support. Okay, well, since now it closed below the support, well, will it actually give us another round of selling? Okay, let's say a resistance like this, or like this. Okay, if not, then take it as a missed. Okay, if not, then take it as a missed. All right. Okay. Yeah. And looking into this whole area now, looks like now. Okay. We are into the area. Wow, we are into this area now. Okay. If we are into this area, if there's any selling opportunity, of course we can take a look. Okay. But not now, not now. Do not enter now. If you enter now, you're going to chase the low. Okay, this low, maybe this wave of this round of low. There's another round to set up the support. We do not know whether it will close above the support or not. Correct. Okay, so just hang on first. Although yes, we have targets down here. We are looking into this price. Okay, but it doesn't mean that we should be selling down now. Okay, at the low price. Okay, always look out for maybe when it's selling off. Okay, let's say like this. If you're selling off now here, you don't enter here, right, for selling. Okay, then maybe a pullback to set up another round to tell us it's going to continue the selling where buyers are not enough. Then we sell off. We always sell with a reason behind. Okay, so the market will always show some rationale behind. Okay, so not now. Okay, right. So still not there yet. Okay, so hang on. Okay, yeah, just wait. I think likely have to wait. Yeah, so 126.116 is still the final one. 126.116 is likely to be taken out. Okay, yeah, by looking at the from start of this area here last week, we have already been talking about waiting for the resistance to come to sell off to this area, right? Okay, so just wait. I mean, I'm just waiting for every move to have a good entry. We can see where's the trend is going, but then again is that we also want to find the right entry point before we actually enter a trade. Then we need to go around the world before we get our TP. Correct? Okay, so that is one point, that's one. Okay, so let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's wait for a little while. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see if this is going to retest into 126.568. If this is going to retest into 126.568 to form a resistance, okay, then we will assess the situation later. Okay, all right, EU. Okay, let's take a look at EU. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, 2040 is on the way. Okay, right. EU. Okay, euro dollar by looking into this area. Okay, and let's see over here. We are also very near to the support. Pretty near to the support now for the euro dollar. No, I think euro dollar also have to wait. It's a very similar situation like pound dollar. Okay, yeah. Hang on first. Yeah, I don't see any selling opportunity because we are now testing onto the support. Okay, we are now testing on the support, but there is no buying signal. Okay, now they are only bounce. They are only bounce from the support. Okay, so that's for euro dollar. Hang on. Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Oh, 2043. Oh my god, nice, so nice. Okay, wow, this is crazy. Okay, 2043, we are on the way to 2040. Yeah, okay, we have a little support over into this area here. We are also coming to us near to a support. Wow, what's happening? The dollar index is very strong. Okay, yeah, this hour. Okay, then let's see. Okay, 2040. Okay, keep it going then. If that keep on going, the pound dollar also will keep on going, I think. Okay, so now you see pound dollar, we have some retracement now. Okay, will it actually go back to test into 126.568? Then let's see. Okay, let's see how it close. All right, let's see how this close. Wow, this is exciting. Okay, I'm looking into this, like say 1, 2, let me see again. Wow, 1, 2. You see, there are still a bit more of the liquidity down here to be taken, so they complete the whole thing here. All right, so at the moment, let's see. Okay, well, at the moment, then they may be creating some selling signal, maybe up around this area here. Okay, so let's see how this is going to test onto the 126,568. Whatever it is, no, do not chase the low. That is the most important thing. Okay, 2037. Okay, 2037. The bottom of the liquidity. 2037. 6. Okay, let's see. 2041.56 is the top. 2041.56. Okay. Okay. Oh, so basically you can see there's a range here. Okay, I will say that there's a range here. Mine differs a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, so this you are talking about 41. This area here 41 to this area here 37. Okay, so one top, one bottom. Okay. Right. Okay. So keep out. Keep out. Keep out. Look out for this area here. Okay, we can take a look at this area here. All right, 2041. Okay, 2041 should be around here. 2041 is the top here. Okay, this area here. Okay, so this whole area here. Okay, 2041.56, huh? Okay, and to 2037. Okay, yeah. So this whole area here. All right. Okay, this whole area here. If the price can get into this area, I will see it's really going to be a good selling off. But before it gets into this area, 2041.5 here, okay, it may form as a support to bounce back. Okay, it may be a support that bounce back. Huh? Okay, so please be careful. Okay, so please be careful with that. All right. Okay, so that's one. Okay, and let's see. Okay, right. So they may be going up to look out for something. Then after that, to retry this area again. Huh? Okay. Yep. Right, and let's take a look pound dollar. What's happening with the pound dollar here? Okay, yes, pound dollar, we are now retesting the area. Okay, we are retesting this 126,568. This is the area. Okay, this is the area. If this area is going to set up the resistance, I guess there may be more selling going on. But if this is going to break above the setup support up there, then I think too bad. I think the buyers will be coming back to take out some liquidity up there. Okay, this area here. All right, then we will see how it goes. Is there any selling opportunity? All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Dinkershen. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, my boss. Thank you so much for coming back. All right. So yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, let's hang on with this first. Okay. Let's wait. Guys, give me a little while. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back. I drank too much water. Let's go to key bell. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, thank you so much. Hello guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Right, and pound dollar. Okay, now we are actually closing up. Okay, with this move, okay, now I need you to do this. Put your eyeball as inverted. Okay, look at the chart. Okay, it seems like it's going down here, setting up this area here. It went down this round. Okay, so if this is going to go up and come back into this area to set up another support, where you can see there's a support area here, right? So if this support area, okay, let me move this down here. Now if this is going to break above to set up another support up there, it will be an inverse head and shoulder. Correct? It will become an inverse head and shoulder. So with the inverse head and shoulder structure, what does it mean? Anybody know? Okay. Okay. What does it mean? Anybody know? Okay. All right. If this, once again, if this came down, you can see this came down, and with this area it built up a support, it breaks down. Now with this area here, it broke above the support once again. Okay, the H1 H4 support. With this area of support, it may become a resistance. Am I right? Okay, but let's say if this is going to break above and it come back here to 126,630, all right, then it become inverse head and shoulder. All right. Okay, so what will that be? Yes, going up. Maxwell. Nice. Very good. Maxwell. Very good. Okay. So yes, Bradley, buy. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So you see, so this may be, we are at the edge. We're at the edge between selling and buying. So at this point of time here, is it good to take action? Probably, but if you are taking action of selling, the probability of selling, we are actually very near to the support, correct? This is a H4 support. And now they're creating one area here. So they may be coming back down here to become a support again to boom up. So the probability of the selling become lesser. You get what I mean? Okay. So because the price has come to an area where it actually can build up the structure. So for this case, we got to be a little bit careful. Okay, we got to be a little bit careful. Observe a little bit more. Okay, don't need to rush. Okay, we don't need to rush because we are at the edge. Okay, we are at the edge of the cliff. All right, so okay, all right. So just so let's say over here, the next hour we have 7 minutes to go to open the H1. If H1 is going to open above the support level, the support area here, right, then we can see green candle will be coming up, correct? Okay, so may not be that as good again. All right, so no for selling at the moment. Okay, well done. Okay, looks like you guys know. Okay, so for now we still need to observe. Sabrina was saying, is it a time for buying? No, it's also not a time for buying yet because there's no buying structure. The buying structure will have to come because you see this is the inverse left shoulder, right? So this is the head, inverse head. So we are waiting for the inverse right shoulder to come. Okay, right shoulder to come. Then we take action. Okay. Yeah, so let's hang on. Let's wait for a little while. Okay. Let's say, okay. Sabrina say, let's say if actually it went down for the selling, then what are we going to do? If it went down for the selling, then too bad. Take it as a miss. Okay. Well, because now the probability is not going for buy, but obviously the selling probability is lesser. And there's one probability that you're going to become a missed trade, missed opportunity. It's okay, then let's it missed. You know why? Because anyway, we miss so many while we are sleeping. So it's very common to miss. Am I right? As long as you don't suffer, you don't incur any losses. Okay? So that's most important. Okay, right. Okay, so by looking into this now, this area of support now is stopped at this area, showing that some resistance is there. Am I right? Okay, looks like selling is coming again. Correct? Looks like selling is coming again. But this may be temporary selling to take this week. That's all. Okay, so it may be this area only, and you're coming to the support area once again. So they may be taking a break for the sellers, and sellers are not enough. The buyer come in to push even higher. That is also possible. All right. So please be careful when you come to a situation like this. Okay, this is one of the situations that a lot of us will start to suffer losses. Okay, because we don't really read out the probability. Although we are looking at, yes, the selling is still ongoing, then the target is here to take out the liquidity down here from this area, go up all the way, come down to fulfill the whole swing. Am I right? Okay, to complete the whole swing. But it may also reverse when we come to a certain point here. It may reverse upward first, then go down again. Correct? Then this is the area that is stuck somewhere where buyers and sellers are fighting so much so that we cannot tell where it is going. So just hang on first. All right, just hang on first. Okay. So by some basic of support and resistance theory, Okay, some basic theory over here. Okay, if we are looking into this area here, right, we are going lower low, correct, lower low, but with these rejections here, come to this area, this may be an area to build the higher low, correct, a higher low. So this may be this, it may be coming back here. The next 5 minutes is going to open up this area to become a higher low to continue to go up, then take a short break down again to 126.630, take a break to set out a support and become a higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, then become a buy. Then the inverse head and shoulder surfaced. Am I right? Okay, then the buy comes in. Okay, so the buyers comes in, then it's very obvious, then we go for the buy. Okay, so that is the plan. That is the whole plan that I'm looking out at the moment. Okay, right. This is a plan. Okay, plan may be successful, maybe a failure. We do not know, but we do not know at this, especially situation like this, then we don't take action first. All right. Okay. So for euro dollar MK, okay, so similar. Okay, you see it touches the support, got rejected up. So with this area, the candle, in terms of the candle, all right, in terms of the candle, let's zoom in. Okay, you can see red, 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 green, green, and now come back. The wick touches the low here. Okay, this area here. It really become it shows that some support here. That's why seller comes in and got rejected up. Rejected up means buyers actually buys in, right? Okay, so will it actually forms up to become a green candle here, to become a green, red, then red, green, and green again to go up again? Probably. So it may this low, and this may become a higher low, and the next moment it may comes back and become a higher low and goes back, higher low and goes back and goes back and goes back. Correct? Okay, so these are the possibility that can happen when you are trading. Okay, so take a look and pay attention to how it moves within the candle itself, then you will understand very, very well. Okay, so let's come back to pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar, same thing. Okay, this is the support where we take a look at the H4. Am I right? This line 126.56.8. Okay, over here, support tested once, and within the 5 minutes it tested again, tested once, tested twice, rejected. Now it looks more like a pin bar now. Okay, so pin bar, it means some rejections to form buy. Okay, to form buy. So we are actually going, in terms of candle, you can see candles are going higher, correct? In terms of the low of the candle, it actually still tested, did not take down the low. So it's still, there's a good possibility to go further up. We have 1 minute to see how H1 close. Let's take a look. H1. So you can see H1. H1, is it going to build a red, green candle and then green candle again? Then probably the buying is coming in. Okay. So because H1 is closing now, correct? Closing soon in 1 minute's time. Less than 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. So another 30 seconds to go. Okay, another 30 seconds to go. So over at this area here, yeah. Okay, let's see. Let's wait. Okay, H1 has closed and see. H1 closed. Let's see how's the H1 reacts. Okay. Now, okay, and 5. We are building this rejections here. We are moving towards the north. Correct? Okay, so this is what I meant. Okay, this is what I meant. Okay, so let's see where likely it's going to go next. Okay, this area is still the liquidity they are going to take out. Okay, it's plenty of it. Okay, here 126.789. Okay, this is one, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, if this, how this is going to close. Okay, because currently the opening is still below this area of resistance, correct? If this is going to close above into the support area, this is the support area, this is the resistance area, because of these 2 points here, these 2 points here. Okay, so we would like to see how this is going to go. Right, if this is going to close above, then may have this may be looking out more on the buying side. After that, may take a breakdown again to stop around this area to create another buying signal. Red, green, green candle like this, red, red, green, green candle, then become a buy to become the structure of inverse head and shoulder, and it will start to boom. Okay, yeah, then it will start to boom, likely to take out the highs. Okay, I'll be looking out into Asian high of yesterday. All right, okay, but of course this is a bit too much. Too greedy for one shot, huh? Okay, we still have a few zones here. Okay, there is one zone here. Okay, so this area, we need to take a look at this area first. All right. Okay, so this is one. All right. So meanwhile, still waiting. Okay, still waiting for a good one before we actually go into good buying trades for the buyers. All right, so for those who already have your own trading style that you already can enter a trade, okay, for now for buying, let's say, okay, you can go on, okay, you can go with it. All right, okay, you don't have to really follow my entry because I don't give signal here. At the same time, our entry strategy may not be the same. Okay, may not be the same, right? Some of them may be looking at RSI, okay, so with some indulgence, okay, then divergence, not indulgence, sorry, divergence, then you may have already entered, you may have already entered below here, okay, that may be also one, okay, so yeah, that's for me. I will wait for a little while, okay. Just now we were saying that this area here, okay, this area here, right? Because of this area is still a resistance because it's opening from the resistance area here. So I'm still waiting to see if there's a good one to go for a buy. So not now yet. But is it good time to go for selling? Of course, no for me because support is too near. All right, support is too near. So I won't be going. Right. So at the meanwhile, I will be waiting. Okay, I'll be waiting. So there are times, you know, when we meet up with situation like this, not surprised that we have plenty to wait. Okay, so just give a little bit patient and we shall wait for it. Okay, then we shall wait for that to happen. Okay, wait for our plan to surface and to happen. Okay, then let's see. Okay, right. Currently over here, okay, we have 1 more minute to go to see how this M5 is going to close. Right, if this is going to close above, then we have to wait. Now it's closing below, correct? It's closing below. So seems like the resistance is still there. Seems like the resistance is still there, am I right? Okay, the resistance is still there. So you see, selling seems like it's coming in. Okay, seems like selling is still coming in. Okay, selling pressure is still there from this area. But bear in mind, would you want to take the risk because of the support area is still here? Okay, bear in mind, the support area is still here. If you are going to sell this trade, you are going to sell as breaking of support. Okay, you are betting on the breaking of the support. Okay, so for me, usually I don't do that. Okay, usually I don't do that. Okay, so let's see overview. Let's take a look like this. Okay, yeah, hang on first. Okay. Looks like today I have to be very patient for myself, my own trade. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, it's coming back to test on the support once again. Right, we are moving into this H4 support area here. Can you see? All right, this whole area here. Will it actually take over? Okay, if you are confident of selling this for scalping, okay, we have about 10 pips down there. Okay, you can grab a 5 probably. Okay, Yeah, if you have, okay, if you have, okay. For me, I don't do that. Okay, so I'm reading out this area for you guys here so that we can see. Okay, right, not just for you, it's also for myself. Okay. Yeah, so let's see how's the next opening is like, this closure is like. Okay, okay, tentatively, uh we have to be patient now, really have to be patient. Okay. Over here, let's see. Okay, we have some messages coming in here. Let's see what is the messages while waiting. Okay, let me read out some of the questions here. What if the inverse head and shoulder doesn't show up? Okay, like I said, what if the inverse head and shoulder doesn't show up to become a buy? Probably the selling may comes in, right? Okay, then probably we want to see if the selling will come in to set up a resistance down here to sell off. I think it will be better. Okay, but we are heading over to the H4 closure as well. We have 1 hour to go. So this area here is the H4 support. So it's quite crucial here. All right, so I'll be waiting for this area to completely break it, forming a new resistance below this area, then I will go, which is the price of 126,568. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, so that is one. Okay, understand. So I'll be waiting. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to set up another round of higher low from this low, another higher low, so that it goes up. Okay, for example, let's say if you're plotting out a trend line, okay, it may go this way. Okay, it may go this way. Okay, so if you set up a higher low here, okay, then it may go this way and come back this way, come back this way, come back this way. Okay, what I mean is here, okay, so it may go this way, this way, this way. Okay, so that's what I meant. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So looks like, okay, this is what I meant. This is what I meant over here. Just in case, because we are stuck in this situation, whether buy or sell. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Hi YT. Price is bearish because it's tapped into the bearish OB. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I agree. I also looking at it will sweep the low. I do agree. Yeah. We are actually looking into. We're actually looking into this area here. All right, the price here 126,277 to 126,116. Okay, but we are looking into a good, now there's some pullback, then sell off. We're waiting for a good pullback, then sell off. But what if the pullback is to set up the buy, the support, then let it go up first, then maybe the selling comes back again. So that's what I meant. Okay, so but we are stuck in this area here. So probably, yeah, there may be, the resistance has shown up. Okay, so that we may have a chance to break this and to go further down, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look in our Discord channel. Okay. Yeah, euro dollar. Caro was sharing the euro dollar. Okay. Euro dollar. Okay. Basing on H1. Okay. Take a look. Basing on H1. Okay. H1 here. Yes. Okay. H1. H4 over here. We are also same thing. We're also trying to break this to take down this area here. We still have about 16 pips. About 16 pips to go. Okay. We still have about 16. Right. So for euro dollar MK, okay, if we are looking into selling once again, okay, there may be, see, the resistance over into this area here, right? So probably if we have a resistance back down here, okay, below 108944, okay, I will say that good chance of selling there. All right. Okay, but the thing is that we still have 1 hour to go, huh? Okay. But good, we can let's wait for a good resistance down here to continue the selling. Okay, 108944. Okay, that's what I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah, and the thing is that after this area, we have very good area here, down to 108105. 108105, huh? Correct? Okay, over here. 1.08097, around there. Okay, so we have about 84 pips down there waiting for us. Provided it can come into this area here, which is about 108691. Okay. So let's see, because we can see prices seems to hover around the support area. Breaking, testing, not breaking, not testing, not breaking, testing, try to break. Seems like this area is very challenging. Correct? Seems like it looks like very challenging now. Okay. You get what I mean? Alright. So same thing. Okay. Pound dollar also the same thing. Okay. It's very challenging. This is very challenging, right? This is very challenging, this area. Generally, this is still where we want to go, correct? But then again, is that I want to wait for a good resistance back down, then go for the selling. All right. Okay, so it may not be today, maybe later on in the New York session. Okay, right. So just be patient. Okay, just be patient. All right. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, just hang on and see. All right. So at the moment, like I say, over here is stuck from the resistance level. A very little resistance here, and the major support here. Correct. So I will say that now, okay, we have to be patient. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so for this case over here, right? It's all because of this area. Honestly speaking, today I'm okay. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Right. Okay, let's wait. GU buying, Bradley. Buying seems like setting up a higher low, right? But then again, is that, you know, this is support here, but with this move, this 2 red candle move, it actually signal us the resistance is there. Okay, the resistance is there. So if you're entering a buying trade right now, you are trying to break the resistance up there as well. You get what I mean? The selling pressure is still there. So that's what I meant, huh? Okay. So we need to take a look. Okay. We still need to take a look. Okay. Yeah. 15 minutes just open. Okay. Looks like, yeah, the resistance is, the selling pressure is still there over here at 122,630. Yeah, and 30, same thing. Yeah, today seems like there's a lot of dilemma there. This area, a lot of dilemma, area of dilemma here. Not surprised that if we're going to take this, not surprised it's going to come down here to take this, then after that to continue the buying or to break below. Okay, I'm a seller, of course I want to sell, you see. I'm a seller, I want to sell, but there isn't any fantastic move for me to grab, you know, because of this whole area here. Yeah, so it's like, you know, it's like well, but it may looks like according to looking at the trend here, okay, looking at the trend since yesterday until now, looks like it should push lower. Looks like it should push lower. Okay, yeah. Okay, it looks like it should push lower, but then it don't give me any good signal to push lower. I want to sell, but support is so near, and I want to buy. Resistance is showing up at the moment. There's no structure of buying at all. Okay, anyway, I'm not a buyer. All right. So just hang on, just wait. Right. Okay, for those who are good, already have entered, then just you can go ahead and enter. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, for me, I have not entered any trades yet, so still looking out. Still looking out. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the good opportunity. Okay, I'm still looking for a good opportunity there. Okay. Okay, then I shall wait. Let's wait and see. Okay, so you see the structure of building up the low, higher low looks like feared, right? So selling now looks like the selling is quite good, correct? But the thing is that we still need to wait for a little while. Okay, Sabrina, for me. Cut it. TP 7 pips. Well done. Good job. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, good scalp. Okay, good scalping there. Yeah, and okay, very good. Okay, so for me, I see myself like waiting. Okay. Very good. If you know how to capture this, that's nice. Well done. Okay. And now is it building up? Let's see. Okay. If this is going to build up, then likely this is going to swing back again. Right. We have about 30. It has tested once here. Okay. And I guess we have to wait, huh? Okay, I guess we have to wait. Right. Yep. Buying, of course, buying is, I won't say that buying is a good trade. Okay, by looking at this move here, we are actually bearish, right? Okay, so we should follow the trend. Am I right? Okay, so if but the thing is that if we are hitting up on the support, okay, which support is actually now like that, I'm looking out for some selling, but when it actually pull back, okay, to take out some liquidity up there, then after that, from there, I want to sell back to this area, probably here. Okay, then I want to sell back to this area. So I have about 50 over pips of space there. Okay, so I'm looking out for all this probability here. Okay, yeah, so let's see. If this continue to sell off, probably I don't have a chance right now in this session. Probably I will be looking out for New York session, okay, to see how it goes first. Yeah. Okay. Right. For the goal wise, let's take a look. The goal. Oh, we are moving to. Oh, we have hit 2040. We have hit 2040. Well done, Caro. Okay. Looks like it's still going. Okay, let's see. Coming close to 2037. Happy for you. Coming. All right. Euro dollar. Okay, yeah, close below the support. Now retesting this area of support to see if there's any selling pressure down again. Okay, and pound dollar. Okay, we are still here. All right. So the goal, for the goal wise, okay. Yeah, good, nice. Oh, looks like the dollar is growing. 28 pips, 28 plus pips running. Okay, still running. Very good. Well done. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, keep it going. Keep it going. Let's keep it going. Okay, let's wait. I think today is a relaxed day for me, huh? Okay. This maybe okay, maybe yeah, Sabrina, maybe during the New York session then it will start to reverse back to take out the liquidity up there. Probably, okay, yeah, probably. Maybe now, as of now, probably the pound is creating the low, then going up to take some highs up there, some of the liquidity up there. Then, I mean, for me, even when it comes back this way, then I give you a miss for today. I'll come back tomorrow. Well, okay, no harm, correct? No harm, so it's okay. Yeah. Looks like you're following your plans very strictly. Yes, I'm following my plans strictly. I'm actually looking at this just now. Okay, just now when I talk about the inverse head and shoulder. So I was waiting for this to break above. Then retest this to set up inverse head and shoulder to go up. Okay, to go up. So once it goes up, okay, then I'll be looking out for selling around the area. Okay, then I want to sell back now here, back again. Okay, yeah. So I'm because you see, since the market opening, it has already sold off. It sold off. Okay, and throughout the whole day, by looking at this selling trend here, that from just now, the high impact news, after the high impact news, it recovers back and it still continues selling. The selling don't seems to be very strong again, correct? After that, seems like market buyers are coming in slowly. Then you know what? I don't want to chase the low since the opening all the way down here. I don't want to chase the low. So I'm waiting to see. Okay, if there's a chance the market will recover. Okay, they will reclaim back, then I will look out for opportunity to sell from there, right? So this area here to me is considering that tentatively as of now of the day, okay, is the low of the day. So I wouldn't want to continue the selling. That's what I meant, okay. So usually when we are selling off, right? Example here, okay. We are very near to the support. I will if you are selling off here, I will say don't chase the low. That is for this part here. But today when I'm looking about the general, okay, we are the whole area here is already, it's already selling off to the low of the day. Correct. Today, we are creating the low. It may go even lower, but no matter what, the concept of not chasing the low. So I'm not selling from here. I'm not selling from here yet. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the good chance for it to reclaim back. Okay, so hopefully it reclaim back as soon as possible from now on. Then after that it hits, collected, it has reclaimed back whatever it should. Then when it started to sell off, okay, then I'll look out for the selling opportunity later on. Okay, yeah. So you see, if for personally, I have a plan. So I have a plan in the trading. So if the plan, it goes with my plan, of course, I will look out for the opportunity to enter a trade. If it's continue to go on the selling where I think that okay, my thoughts just now as of as like you know, this is the low of the day, they are creating the low of the day, then I do not want to chase the low, then okay, never mind. If it still continue to break lower, okay, I think that my plan today didn't work. Okay, I didn't manage to wait until the sorry, I should say the market didn't manage to work with my plan up there for me to sell. Then I come back tomorrow. You get what I mean? I'll come back tomorrow. So in this case, you know, when you come into a trading career, you will find that you are not that stressful. Don't give yourself too much stress. Okay. Okay, don't give yourself too much stress to the extent that you will want to enter a trade no matter what, you know, just to fulfill the target today, profit target today. Okay, so no, I'm not. I'm not going after that. Okay, so let's see about the goal. Okay, we are still hovering around this area. Okay, so still waiting to see if this is going to beat the 2037. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, yes. Now, okay, so let's see over here. Yes, actually swept the 1 hour low. Swept the 1 hour low. You mean which one? YT? You're talking about the gold or the pound dollar? Which one are you talking about? Okay, do let us know if it's the gold. Yes, it is. And well, for pound dollar wise, okay, right, okay, pound dollar same. Okay, so waiting for the movement now, waiting for to see the price, how it moves into any plans. Okay, what other plans do you guys have for pound dollar? Do you want to share with me? Okay, let's share your plans and let's see. Okay, let's see together to see if we can work it out together. All right, so I just shared mine. Okay, then now I have my plan, so I'm waiting for it to come. Okay, right. Yes, and so while waiting, oh, not yet. Okay, not yet. All right, then it's okay. Then we just wait. Yeah. Okay, sit back and relax. Right. Okay, for me, okay, default charging on pound dollar. So let's see for MK. So euro dollar probably 108944 is still holding it well. Okay. At the moment, looks like it's still holding it well. We shall wait for the H4 opening. Okay, I think let's wait for the H4 opening. I think it will be better. I'm going to wait for H4 opening. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's closing below the support area. Can you see? Now it's closing below the support area. Even it closed this, trying to reverse back, but it's closed below the support area. Right. Let's see if there's any resistance. Okay. Or will it break above for current candle now? Right. If it's going to break above, I'll be very happy because it's going with the plan soon. Right. Then after that, it should break above here, retest back into the area of 126,630 to set up support to go further up. Okay, to go further up. Yeah. So let's see if this works. Okay, I guess it's going to. Looks like. Okay, looks like. Okay. Is it going to, for this case, is it going to become a double bottom? Now double bottom in the area of support. So double bottom area of support, usually it will start coming. Okay, once the double bottom formed. Okay, right. Yes Blake, trade US 30 or next 100? No, I don't really, but I use that as a reference. Okay, I use that as a reference. Okay, yep. Nowadays I only trade currency. Okay, yeah. Okay, so M30 has opened as well. Let's check on the M15. Okay, and M30 looks like a M15 is also coming soon. If that can close above the support, then it should be good. Okay, then it should be good. M30 looks like still building. Okay, you need to wait for a little while. Blake has just joined us today, and I'm so sorry that we didn't give you any hits here. Yesterday was really very hot. Okay, yesterday. Okay, probably you can take a look at yesterday videos. Okay, and we have some discussion there. Probably it may help. Okay. And so that you know a little, it may help. Maybe when I say it may help, maybe your trading, or maybe it helps you to understand our culture in this community. Okay, right. Okay, so yep. And anyway, purely sharing over here, and also to see, hopefully we can become a long-term friend, creating a long-term relationship in trading. Okay, to build this community together. Okay, I'm waiting for my plans. So I'm not sure for you guys. Okay, I'm waiting for my plans to surface. Okay. Okay, double bottom. Okay, so yes, Sabrina, double bottom. Okay, yes, double bottom over here. When you can see this area, the wicks below, right? So when the wicks actually passes through the body, but stay within the closure is staying within the wicks or below above this body. Okay. Yes, and it's at the support area. This type of double bottom, most of the time, okay, it should works very well. Okay, provided because this double bottom actually forms support is an area, so this is area of support here. Okay, so if you're looking into this whole excuse me, so this whole area of support here, all right, this area of support. Okay, so probably yeah, if this is the next hour is going to close with a support up there as well, you can see M5 with the double support should be coming, should be good. You know, should be good. You get what I mean? All right. But it's just waiting for a good time to give more volume on the buying side. Yep. Right. Yes. Okay. Thank you. I'm grateful for the learning experience and 5 pips I caught yesterday. Yes, that's good. Congratulations. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. Hopefully more coming. Okay. All right. Okay. We have many scalpers here. Okay. So I believe in scalping because okay. I work on long-term catching 50, 100s. Maybe I'm not that good. Okay. But I realized that in trading, the lot size is important. The lot size allocation, mainly it may be for risk management, money management, but also if you realize that if you can capture 5 pips, all right, for 0.01, and what is the difference between you capture 5 pips for 1 lot, 10 lots, correct? That would be a different thing as well, but the same way of trading. You get what I mean? Okay, so that's my concept. That's my concept. But of course, if you can, it's good that you know if you can get a swing, capturing good number of pips, then I think that's good. Okay, right. For the goal, yep, and 28 pips of like Caro is still running. Okay. Caro also a good scalper for the goal, correct, Caro? Okay, so can we can learn a lot of things from Caro in the gold trading as well. Okay. Okay, we have been talking almost for an hour. You are still there. You're still struggling there. All right, and still hovering around the support area here. Okay, so is this going to be a good selling since it had retested the support here to create a selling? Yeah, this area here, correct? This is what I meant by waiting for it to retest. This retest into this area to form the selling from the resistance created here, and this is the support that it tried to break, and it retest. Now it's showing the resistance is there, correct? It's showing the resistance is there, so there may be a chance that it will still push further down, correct? All right, so let's see on this side here. Okay, if this is going to push further down, likely to see some of course this will be the target, correct? This will be the target that we are looking out for. Am I right? Okay, so yep, looks like it's pushing lower. But then with this one, oh, coming to push even lower. Okay, so for me, I didn't enter any trade, so I take it as a miss this time round. Okay, this time round I take it as a miss. Yeah. Okay, so I'm currently based on this candle, if I'm looking out for the plans to push up further up, doesn't seem promising anymore. Okay, so just now we are in this area. So in this area, if you are going to sell down, we have a support down here, correct? So when it pushed back down, it retested. Now it's showing the selling off from this area. Looks promising. Looks promising. Okay, but I will not enter any trade again. Okay, I will not enter any trade for this candle. Okay, for this candle too long. This may be a push, then after that later on may reclaim back again, then sell off again. So I'm going to suffer one round. Okay, so let's wait. We may miss the opportunity. Okay, but because of the situation, basing on the current situation down here, I don't see any good thing. But I still see the selling. I still see price should sell down to 126,277 to 126,116 down here. So this area here. But I want to have a good resistance, good selling signal down here. I want to have a good selling signal. Okay, so that when I enter a trade, I don't have to wait for too long and it should start selling off. Okay, yeah. Right, so let's wait and see. Okay. Right, we have about 1 minute. Okay, no, 5. I'm going to open next M5. Next M5 is going to open. Let's see. Okay. Well, M5 opened. Okay. Okay. So looks like the selling is coming. Continue to sell off a bit now. Let's see. Going to take lower. Okay. So sad. Okay, it still continue to go lower. So no more. Okay. Anyone is going for the selling? Okay, anyone is going for the selling? All right. No more, no more. Okay. I mean, for me, no more for my plan. So tentatively, it's still going down to take this area here. We are still trying to capture this area here. Right. So nice. Okay. What to do when you don't want, when the plan don't work, what to do when the plans don't kicks in. Yes, exactly. It don't kicks in, so no entry, so no choice, just leave it. Okay, leave it alone. Yeah, just leave it alone. Then just wait for it, probably just wait for it to take this or maybe another round. Okay, let's wait for the H4 opening to see another round coming in. Yeah, if the H4 today is going to break through this whole area, and we are going to get into this whole area here, okay, yeah, we have been waiting to get out of this area, right, because of the turbulence area, correct, the bull running into the transition area. So you can see generally these are the transition area, correct. It went in up here, so finally it seems like it's getting out. It's getting out. So once it's get out of this area, what are we going to see? Looks like we have plenty to take. Correct? We have plenty to take. Yeah. Okay, so from last year we have been selling from June or July, right? I think from June or July, I can't remember. Okay, so I think last year, June or July, huh? Okay, correct, somewhere there. Yeah. Okay, so after that, it started to move up all the way until now, transit into the transition area. Then we are waiting for it to get out of this area. So once it get out of this area, looks like it's going back for the selling. Then we will go back. We've been selling for months, then it's going up for months, then now maybe going down for months as well. Okay, so it's going to be promising either way. Okay, yeah. Okay, so of course, let's see whatever it is. It should get out of the area first. Okay, so now to see whether it will still continue. Okay, to sell off. All right, it will still continue to sell off to take this area with this area here. Okay, over here. All right, we're waiting for this. So should have another round of total 25 pips there. Still at 25 pips there. Huh? Okay. Yeah, so let's wait for a little while then. Anyway, for now, yeah, the selling is still ongoing. Then forget it. Okay, just forget it then. Yeah. This is still ongoing then. What to do? What to do with that? No choice, right? Okay. You are right, Sabrina. I'm sitting back and eat. You should also sit back and drink. You are right. Okay, let's take a look at the goal. The goal should be achieving the target soon. Let's see. 2037, Caro. Okay, GU is definitely giving happy shopping to all sellers. I guess so, but not me, because I haven't sold any on the GU yet. Okay. Yeah. I was looking at this area, so I'm hoping to see some buying up first when it created the structure, but I'm waiting for the structure to be created, but it did not create. It did not create the structure, so in the end it went down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, the bullish order block is invalid, so it will just do a full liquidity sweep. Yeah. Yes. Correct. Yeah, I had a physical battle with my FOMO. Physical battle? Like what? On the euro dollar side, huh? I see. Euro dollar side, this area here, I think just now it retest back. So this part here, huh? Okay. Yeah, so I think probably today may not be, today may not be so nice to capture. But like YT was saying, okay, the bullish order block is invalid. Okay, yeah, so it will just do a full liquidity sweep down there. Is it for pound dollar? YT? Okay. Yes, congratulations. Go TP 31 pips. Well done. Okay, congratulations. Very good, very good. Fantastic. Good move. Yes, congrats. Well done. Hi, Merry Christmas. You guys TP just collected, but not me today. All right. Okay, so yep, and let's see if the pound dollar still on the selling side. Okay, well done. Okay, oh man, I missed out. All right, will that FVG hold or not? You mean which one, YT? Are you talking about the gold or you're talking about the pound dollar? Oh, I think you're talking about the gold, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Right. Taken out that area. Okay. Okay, pound dollar, yes. Pound dollar. Do we have another round? Euro dollar, okay. Okay, Sabrina, hang on. Okay. Euro dollar, let's take a look. Euro dollar. So that the euro dollar. Probably, maybe. Yeah, I think probably the euro dollar we may need to, well, maybe. Let's see if there's any more. Looks like the selling pressure is still there. May not. Area here. Area here. I'm not sure. By looking at the current situation. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Pound dollar. Just now, Sabrina was saying that. Yes. Merry Christmas. GJ. Okay. Let's take a look. Pound dollar wise. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sabrina was asking if this area will become. Will this area still hold as a resistance? Then the good selling. Yes. Okay. Good. So if there's any pullback up to 126.506 to have another round of selling, yes, we may be looking out into this area. Okay, we can look out for this area. All right. Okay. Yeah. And for the GJ wise, let's take a look. GJ. Okay, GJ. Yeah, GJ. Wow, so obvious that we're looking out for some selling there. Okay, but then I think we have to wait for H4. H4 is opening and we are now closing up into the support area. So close. Is it? Yeah, very close, pretty close. We have about 13 pips away. Okay, about 13 pips away. About 13 pips away. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. GU, yes. GU too low though. The GU, I have not entered any trade for me. We have been looking at it going down. We didn't enter any trade because there's a lot of just now a lot of same old story, huh? Okay, so we do not want to chase the low. So today I have not taken any profits yet. Okay, some have taken and I think over this area here, and gold wise also taken. Okay, so over here. So next H4, we'll need to see how's the next H4 for the pound dollar is going to react, because we are looking into getting out of this area since last week. When we are trading, correct? We have been looking out to this area. When it swing down, we are looking out this area. It went up again, we swing down, we're looking at this area. Swing up again, we swing up. Finally, this week comes. Okay. So nice, right? Yeah. Then finally today it comes down, but we took profit last week for the pound dollar, but today when it started to swing down, I didn't get any. Ironic. Ironic day. Okay, so so funny, right? Okay. Yep, then it's okay, never mind, let's see. Okay, and yep, let's see if this now if the H4 opening is going, if this is going to close right below the support here, okay, you can see this area of support with the body here, we are taking out the liquidity, am I right? Okay, we are taking out the liquidity. So will there be a chance that it will pull back? Then the H4 comes, it will pull back this area here. Will it actually pull back this area here? Then after that, when it pulls back to this area, okay, then after that, will it then swing back down again? Okay, that may happen. Okay, that may happen, right? If that really happens, then I will go for it. Okay, right. For now, seems like we are heading to our target 126.11.6 since we have talked about it last week. Okay, last Monday. Okay, so let's see. Sit back and wait. We have about 7 minutes to go. Right, 7 minutes to go. Right. Oh my god, so nice for GU. No matter how nice it is, I never take any profit. It's not nice to me. Okay. Alright, so let's see if GU is going to set up another round for selling or is going to set up for a pullback. Okay, any structure for pullback, then we shall wait and see. No hurry, okay, no, do not rush. Oh dear. Yeah, okay. Well, things happen like this very often. Okay, do you guys still remember we ever had one for GU as well last year? Do you remember? Some of us entered and we hold it for about 60 pips, and some missed out and just watch it running down for 60 pips as well. So there are people who gained, there are people who missed, you know. Okay, so today I'm the one who missed. Okay, never mind. Every day there will be chance every day. So it's okay. Yeah, 5 minutes to go. H4 is going to open. So yeah. Okay, so how about the EU, Euro dollar? Yes, MK, how's your fighting with your FOMO? Did you enter any trade? Okay. Okay lah, going back now. This is only a small retracement. Okay, it has not shown any sign of going back yet. If this is going back, I want now tentatively for the pound dollar, if it's to go back up to take the highs, it has to come to this area to set up support. Okay, previously was this area, right? Previously was this area. So now it's this area. It's much lower. So you can still see it is still an inverse head and shoulder. Correct? It's still inverse head and shoulder. Inverse left shoulder coming to inverse right shoulder. Then good chance to go up. Then I will see whether is there any chance to trade later on. No trades today. Wow, it looks like you have overcome the FOMO. I missed the AU also. Okay, yeah, alright. It's okay. Yeah. sometimes you miss something, okay, it doesn't mean that we really missed. In fact, I should say that we have today is a training on our emotion side, correct? Okay, so yeah, just take it that way. You know, just take it that way. It's okay. You know, right? Well, let's see again. Let's see once again to see if this inverse head and shoulder is going to work out again. All right, if that's going to work out, then fantastic. Hopefully, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, GJ, yes. GJ, if GJ you're looking for selling, now they are looking out for this area. We have a 14 to 20 pips, or may even take this area down. Importantly for GJ, I think it's good to wait for the H4 opening. Okay, I think it's good to wait for the H4 opening. The H4 opening is very important. We have 3 minutes to go. Okay, yeah. For me, yeah, yeah, that's for me. I will want to wait for the H4 opening. Right. Then after that, retest. Then we have about 60 pips down there waiting for us to sell. If that works. Okay. If that works. Right. Okay. The 60 pips down there, this area. Okay. This area. Yeah, this area is quite a good area to sell. But then it looks like it's going a little bit on the sideways side. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow. Maybe, I'm not sure. Not tomorrow. What am I talking about? Maybe. But because right now it don't really move in a very great way. Okay. Generally, I'm still waiting for this to break 185.063. Then after that, retest this area again to sell off. Okay. Then if it will be a good selling off if we can get into this area. Okay, this area. Right. This area should be good. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Still hanging there. H4 has opened. Let's check. H4. Now to see H4, we broke. Now I'm looking at H4 is to see the closure. Okay, I'm looking at the closure. So the closure looks like it's good to break into this. We are trying to take this wick here. Well, and tentatively, by looking at it, when it actually goes up to take any resistance before it actually go back for selling. Okay, so for H1, okay, H1 wise, we are still moving, going to continue to take this area. I think for the pound dollar, yeah, I think for the pound dollar, let's see if this able to hold it to pull back to set up a support into this area here. Okay, for the pound dollar, yeah, okay. I guess we are, of course, I'm still, of course, I don't look out for buying, you know. GJ good to sell. GJ good to sell. Let's see. H4 opening, right? GJ, I won't say it's good to sell. If you are selling, you are scalping into this area here. Okay, you're going to scalp into this area here. Okay, but generally now I will say that GJ I will want to wait for prices below 185.063, this area here. I want to trade within this area. Okay, I want to trade within this area, right? Okay, so for GU wise, okay, GU looks like today we are today I think it's really going to complete our target down there. Then we will be going into the bear officially. Okay, then we're going to the bear officially. All right, so then let's see if that works. Okay, currently the selling off now, it breaks the support, right? It breaks the support here, right? It breaks the support, and once it breaks this support, we actually said that yesterday, right? When it breaks this support, we are trading down to this area about 30 pips, another round down there for another 20 pips to make up about 450, right? Okay, yeah, about there. Okay, so let's see if today if this is going to go back. Okay, if let's say if this is going to pull back later on in M5, if this is going to pull back in this area to go on for another round of selling, the first selling will be setting up the support here. Okay, so you have to be careful. So but you have a 20 pips of space there. But if this is going to break below again, okay, after it come out with after it breaks this and if we're going to retest back, that means to say it goes up, okay, retest and come down to break again, to come back here this level to retest once again. Yeah, I think the selling, another round of selling zone is there. They created another round of selling zone. Okay, right. So that will be likely the plan. Okay, if this continue to go down, of course, so sad. Okay, I totally don't have any chance to enter a trade. That forms one experience for me. Okay, then no choice. Then I have to give it a miss today. Right. Okay, then for the gold wise, okay, seems like retracing backwards. They are retesting into the 2041 again. Okay, when it actually comes back to go on the selling down to take further, okay, down to the target of 2037. Well, depends very much, okay, whether the new resistance is going to build up or taking out of this whole area here. Okay, now I see that they created something new here. Okay, let me see. Okay, so yeah, should be around 2047. Should be around 2047.14. Okay, 2047.14. Then probably another round of selling back again. Okay, this time round it may take 2037. Yeah. At the moment, by looking at this move. Okay, that's my opinion. Okay, in my own opinion. Okay, so that's for the gold. Okay, and for the pound dollar wise, I'm looking at this. Okay, from here now it's moving up to take, let's say it's going to take this 126.568, right, or 126.506, right, for another round of selling down. Is to create this selling is to create the support. So you have 15 pips, you can scalp for it. Okay, you can scalp for it. But if the whole situation show is very good for selling, okay, you can enter for a trade like yesterday without any TPs to see if this is going to break. If this is going to break, continue to hold. Then our final target we are looking into 126.277. Correct? Still remember this price? 126.277. Okay, so that is one. Okay, that's the one. Right? If this is going to break above, inverse head and shoulder comes in, then let's wait. Then that will be my plan, because this is too low for me now. Okay, it's too low. It's too low of the day. Okay, I wouldn't want to chase it anymore. All right. Okay. Yeah. And for euro dollar, same thing as pound dollar, very similar. Okay. So I think today, give you a miss. Forget it. I didn't give you a miss. Forget it. Okay. MK and me. All right. GJ wise, let's take a look. GJ. Merry Christmas and Kati. Okay, same thing. I think very obvious. I'll be waiting for 185063 break below. Then I will look out for selling from there. Okay, if not, then just wait. Okay, because generally for the pound yen, okay, pound yen, we are moving into a stage. Okay, we are moving into this stage here. Can you see? Okay, we are moving to this stage here. So it's from the bull all the way, right? It's from the bull all the way into the transition. Yeah, so likely no. Right? Okay, so still in the transition, it may go either way. So this is what I see. This is what I see. Okay. Yes, YT. There's a valid 15-minute supply zone up there on the euro dollar, right? Then maybe retest in the euro dollar is a valid entry spot, maybe. Okay, M15. Okay, so very possible, because I see that there's a good chance also. So I'm actually, it's a similar concept that yeah, good. YT, this is good. Okay, so actually for me, I'm using that and in the pound dollar as well. So I'm actually looking out. Okay, then euro dollar over this side here. Okay, so probably we should give more patience to that. Looks like we really have to give more patience to that area here. Yeah. Okay. So I guess that should be all for now. Okay, let's wait for the New York session. Okay, and I wish you good luck in trading for the New York session. Today I have nothing. All right. I have no trades, no profits today. Okay, so shall see you guys tomorrow once again. Okay, same timing. All right. So wish you good luck with bountiful profits later on in the New York session. Do remember to smash the like button for me and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you tomorrow. See you again.